Well, we met on the sets of प्यार की कहानी.
मैं सेट्स पे कभी-कभी जाता रहा अपने बाकी फ्रेंड्स को मिलने के लिए. मैं
हमेशा सेट पे ना अपना iPad या अपना DVD प्लेयर इनिशियली लेके जाती थी,
जिसमें वो बैठ के इंग्लिश अपना सीरीज देखती रहती थी.
मैं अपने शोज देखती थी. जब मेरा when they used to call me for a shot, I used to just go and come back and then again sit in my makeup room. So I was that kind of a person.
उस दिन fortunately for me, वो अपना DVD प्लेयर लाना भूल गई थी and so she came out.
And I was like, oh my God, अब मैं क्या करूँ? So I'll have to go and do time pass with the other actors today. So I went out and I heard him. वो अपना कोई गाना फोन में रिकॉर्डेड था जो वो विवियन को सुना रहा था.
So विवियन मेरे फोन में मेरा कोई गाना सुन रहा था. So Kishwar heard that and that's when she asked Vivian कि क्या सुन रहा है and she heard the song. That's how we
kind of started talking and we literally added each other on BlackBerry.
We started chatting and उसके बाद we exchanged numbers.
The whole night we spoke on the phone till about 7 in the morning.
Spoke till about 7 o'clock in the morning and we were talking all night. And from the very next day we knew that there's something.
पहली रात ही it kick started. Literally हम फोन पे बात कर रहे थे and like obviously we were asking each other questions, where you stay, what you do, मतलब अपने time pass कैसे करते हो ये वो. We were talking and he was like, you know what, I think you stay in this building and I'm just crossing your building. And then I was like, oh really? And then while talking on the phone, I went to the window and I looked down and he was passing by and he's like waving out to me. I think I was staying on the 5th floor at that time.
We were quick. We knew from the very first moment that there's something happening. We were very quick. आंखों में आंसू आने सबके, ठीक है?
I know him since we were in 7th standard. जब पहली बार मिला था तो मुझे लगा थोड़ा सा एटीट्यूड है.
I have no idea कि मैं उसको कब से जानता हूँ.
He was very full of himself. वो हमेशा मैं कैसा दिख रहा हूँ, मेरे बाल ठीक लग रहे कि नहीं, मेरी बाइक कैसी लग रही है. मुझे बहुत अजीब लगा कि वो इतनी जल्दी मैरिज कर रहा है.
लग रहा है यार मेरा यार चला गया एक और. एक चला गया एक साहिल चला गया, सारे चले गए यार. मुलाकात हो ना हो लग जा गले. So I was 9 years old when I used to watch her in Hip Hip Hooray.
Finally जब मार्च आया और उसका birthday आया and I actually saw candles on his birthday cake, I realized, my God, he's actually younger than me.
So she's a very positive soul. She'll take everything in such a positive manner.
He just makes me feel very special and like he does these little things जो एकदम ऐसे प्यार आ जाता है उस पर, वैसा वाला वो काम करता है.
If I have to talk about an incident, will be definitely the promise ring. I think that's 3 साल पहले ईद थी and मैं हर ईद पे उसको एक गिफ्ट देता हूँ, ईदी देता हूँ. जो आप लोगों ने खुशनुमा में भी देखा होगा, जिस तरीके से खुशनुमा स्टार्ट होती है वीडियो. There were 4 papers. जब आप पहला पेपर खोलते उसमें लिखा था I. The next paper said promise to be. Third said with you and fourth said forever. And forever had a ring in it. I remember I was wanting to make a video of her while opening that whole thing, but I had to stop the video because she was not stopping. She was crying. I had to stop the video and I think she almost cried for about half an hour, man. And I was driving her for a dinner. We were going for a dinner and she was crying and कि मैं दसां तेरे बचों जिंदगी की होनी जी में कोई सजा कोई बदुआ होनी.
And I think both of us realized it together कि this is something else. It's not the regular मिलना जुलना.
I cannot say कि मैंने पहला step लिया उसने पहला step लिया. Like I said, from the very first day we knew what is happening between both of us.
Some of my friends just reacted like हाँ ठीक है देखते हैं whatever देखते हैं कब तक चलता है. You bloody keep falling in love every day and every time and you keep coming to us and telling us this.
The first friend I can think of when it comes to Kishwar is Mr. Shaheen Malhotra.
Kishwar, you got a very bad taste in music. मुझे आज पता चला कि तुम उससे गाने से impress हुए थे.
Both of us were very short-tempered, so
I don't like his anger. He just snaps.
जैसे सुरेश ने कहा, बहुत दोनों short-tempered थे. दोनों की फ्लाइट्स एक साथ टेक ऑफ करती थी, इसलिए क्रैश करती थी.
हम दोनों एक साथ गुस्सा हो जाते थे और वाट लग जाती थी.
But now Kishwar has also understood that fact and even Suyash has. तो दोनों एक एक करके टेक ऑफ करते हैं। तो पहले एक बंदा चिल्लाता है, बाद में दूसरा बंदा चिल्लाता है, बाद में दोनों एक साथ चिल्लाते हैं, तब तक गुस्सा ठंडा हो जाता है।
Something I hate is that he just doesn't want to shave. Like it's December, no shave. November is also over. Now he should shave. And ठीक है, like थोड़ा सा stubble even I like in guys, but इतना सारा दाढ़ी, हाथ खो गया है उसकी दाढ़ी में। ऐसी उंगली डालो तो उंगली खो जाती है, इतनी सारी दाढ़ी हो गई है उसकी।
अदाएं भी है, मोहब्बत भी है, नज़ाकत भी है मेरे महबूब में।
Nothing will change, I think. वो लोग हमेशा से ऐसे ही हैं, अब शादी हो जाएगी, बस दोनों एक ही घर में रहेंगे।
Suyash's bad habit is that he's too puppy, guppy, cuddly. I love you, baby. You are my sister. You are my brother.
मुझे ये पता था कि उनकी शादी होने वाली है, बट मुझे नहीं पता था कि ऐसे होगी और इतनी जल्दी होगी.
כי סויש, وای امیدوارم که خیلی خوشبخت بشین. بعد اینکه خیلی دوستتون دارم. بعد اینکه خیلی دوستتون دارم.
मतलब आदमी पहले सोचता है फिर बोलता है, वो पहले बोलती है फिर सोचती है. That is Kishwar.
I think it's such a beautiful union that these two guys are, you know, finally getting married.
Lots of love, hugs, kisses. Wish you a happy married life.
But if you know her, you say that she is the most lovable girl ever.
So it's good to see Kishwar finally managing to lock Suyash down.
And Suyash managing to lock Kishwar down. Again, I hate to say this, Kishwar merchant, but you could have been the best find that Suyash would have ever got.
मैं मरने जा रही हूँ क्योंकि सुयश नहीं है.
So hi, I am Swati, a small little admirer of yours out of a bunch of lakhs.
Hey guys, this is Lavleen Sabarwal from Dilwalo Ki Dilli.
Hi everyone, it's me Hafsa wishing Sukesh all the best for the future.
I couldn't be more pleased in knowing that, you know, after almost 6 years of blossoming love, you both two eternal souls finally get to become one.
The most awaited moment is here, Sukesh wedding. Firstly, thank you so much guys that you have given us a chance to join your dream day.
You guys left us all speechless because you are the true definition of true love.
Since like we always keep saying that, you know, Sukesh is love forever term, so I just hope, rather I just know it's gonna remain intact and just increase manifold with every passing day.
Onward life, you are doing great job. Thank you.
Lots and lots of love to you.
अरे किश्वर, who is किश्वर बाबा? उसके साथ बैठ कर कौन करता है यार मैच? अरे ये कितना अमेजिंग लगेगा?
यार अमेजिंग लगने से क्या होता है? अरे मेरी शादी को मजाक लग रहा है यार?
I don't know why he is behaving like this.
अरे सुन तो ले सोच.